Hi, this is Dennis at MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2019 Harris 250 Cruiser. Okay, we're going to start with the front section of this boat. We've got lots of storage in these compartments, lots of room for the family. We got lots of storage here as well. 2 cup holders and a nice iPhone holder up here under the bulwarks. We've also got a nice in-locker storage for this. Nice compartment here. You can store a lot of things in. Moving back, we have a changing station, which most people use this just to put a nice big cooler in when you take the family out. You have a lot of people on the boat. It's a great place to store stuff. We have under the Helm storage as well on this boat. This boat also comes with 2 USBs, full instrumentation package including depth finder. You have a Fusion stereo, you have master power, etc., and your running lights, throttle here. Dual Helm seats with flip-up armrests on both of these. These adjust fore and aft. Moving back to the back of the boat, we have a nice trash can where people can discard all their stuff. 2 more cup holders under the bulwarks. Again, lots of storage on this boat. It comes equipped with a Mercury 150 outboard. Once again, it's Orcutt MarineMax Lake Wylie. If this is a boat that you would like to see, give us a call, 803-831-2101. Thank you.